what's really going on here. Okay guys, I think I might have to shut this operation down here. I should have thought this out a little bit, maybe put some poly on the floor or had some time. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to talk about a little product that I like to use. It's called Spa Purge. I've been working on hot tubs for about 10 years now, and this particular product I find is the best for flushing out the plumbing and just cleaning everything out really well. I've tried different products in the past, but I personally think this is the best product out there. So we're going to dump that into my bathtub today, and we're going to see what's really going on. So you got to peel off the back here to get to the directions or the instructions on how to use this product. And there's a really important thing that we're going to focus on today. It says remove the cartridge filter elements. So remove your filter. Make sure that the water temp is at 35 C. Add the entire contents of the bottle. If foaming becomes excessive, turn jets off. Some foaming is expected during the purge process. Basically says to maintain the water at 35 C and to run it overnight. We're not going to run it that long, basically. In jet tubs, they say only add half the bottle. We're going to add the entire bottle today just for fun. And they used to say on here to turn off the air controls, but that doesn't seem to be the case today. So we are going to have a quick look at what happens. So I just filled up with the tub here with some pretty fresh water. I'll just crank the jets on quickly and let's see what comes out of the lines. So that's just from turning the pump on really quickly. There is a bit of debris coming out. It's not too bad overall, but I know that this tub does need a good flushing. We'll do that again. This is a dual speed pump, so we'll just kick her on the high gear here. Shut her down, have a quick look. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up too well, but you know, there's a bit of debris in there, some floaties and stuff, just organic, normal debris. I don't really have too much of a scaling issue going on, so let's go ahead and get these jets going and start running this Spa Purge. So, it's a really weird looking product. It's pretty brown. Now if you have air controls on your hot tub or jetted tub, you should turn them off. So on my tub, I'd want to turn these ones off right here. Now for the sake of entertainment, we're actually going to leave those air controls on. Because this stuff is pretty cool. So let's get the jets going here in high gear. Now when you use this product, you may have to flush out your tub once you drain your tub. And that's completely to be expected. And that's the Spa Purge in action. If you have a bullfrog hot tub, typically you do not have these air controls on your hot tub. You have no way to turn off the air unless you undo the jetpack or tape off the air inlet inside the pump area. So for people who own a bullfrog hot tub, basically I would only run this product for 20 to 30 minutes. It'll create so much foam it will literally push the lid right off of your hot tub. So I've got the jet set here for 20 minutes, which is typical of a hot tub cycle. So let's see what would happen in 20 minutes if we left these air controls on and ran the pump. I'm not sure if I'm going to time lapse this or what the deal is, but let's see what's really going to happen here, guys. Sounds like my pump is starting to cavitate a little bit, so I'm going to just add some water. Just sucking in a bunch of air. So I've upgraded the pump in this particular jet tub. It came with a little 3/4 horsepower, something like that. I've got a dual speed 1.5 horsepower pump in there now, so for a bathtub it's pretty easy. Purge, I highly recommend this product. If you have a hot tub or bathtub that has any type of scaling issues, or you just want to flush it out just to keep things clean, basically use this product once a year, once every couple years, and you're going to have fantastic results. After you drain your tub, you're going to want to flush it out a little bit. Other than that, you're going to have great results. But do please keep the air controls closed when you're running the jets on high speed. If you don't, this product creates a lot of foam. As you can see, I have not closed my air controls. I've deliberately left them open. And yeah, the foam is really starting to get pretty good here. So. So that's only been running for a couple minutes here. So as you can tell, the foam is really taking over, guys. It's really taking over. Now in your hot tub, typically I find when you start to get this foam coming off from this product, that's a great time to use like a skimming device and skim the foam off, because it will grab a lot of the scale that's in the pipes. So I'm going to open my window here. Whoa, she just started cooking off pretty good there when I opened the window. And I can hear the pump is cavitating a little bit, so a lot of the water in the tub is getting created foam, so I should probably add some more water here. I think I should have got some towels handy and maybe my shop vac. I should have thought this through a little bit, but it's the way she goes sometimes. As you can see, it's quite foamy here. Could build you guys a little foam castle here if that's what you really wanted. So we're about 5 minutes or so, and she's looking pretty decent. It's really going. Stuff is pretty powerful, so if you're using the spot purge, you really got to keep an eye on it. Holy moly, it's really getting out of control now. Holy Jesus. She's just really freaking... I gotta go grab my shop vac. I gotta get away to get rid of this shit. Holy... Hey guys, I think I might have to shut this operation down here. I should have thought this out a little bit, maybe put some poly on the floor. I was up against the baseboard, but I don't want too much moisture getting in my baseboard here. Purge product, you really keep an eye on it, and you definitely turn your air controls off, because this is what's going to happen, and your freaking Lego tripod might just break right down on you. Holy moly. Okay guys, sorry this video is getting a little out of control. I'm going to have to shut her down here. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Tech Center. Thanks for watching. Well, let's have a look at the aftermath here. As you can see, we got the bathroom pretty much cleaned up. We had a bit of water on the floor, got her all shot backed up. Everything's pretty much hunky-dory. We did get some debris coming out of the pipes. I just opened the drain, so we probably got a lot of stuff down the drain. So I'm going to rinse her out. Going to get it filled up here and just flush it out pretty good. And see what happens. So. Okay, well, we just got her rinsed out a bit. Hopefully, there's nothing else really left in the lines. Water looks pretty good, so we'll just start the jets here quickly. As you can see, there's still some product in the lines there. So it's a good idea to always flush out this product, drain it, rinse it out, fill it up, flush it again. In your hot tub, you might want to just take your garden hose, rinse everything off really good, maybe stick it in the jets, stick it in the filter canister, shove back out all the jets and everything, and that's going to reduce the chances of having to flush it out. So yeah, I'm just going to let this run for a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try this Spa Purge product if you have any issues with the hot tub or just want to keep it clean. Thanks.